here shortly.
Very good. And it's not expensive.
It's not expensive at all. And in fact, we're going to have a 99-cent Thanksgiving promotion, right, Marissa?
Yep, starting tomorrow.
Starting tomorrow. But it's even at the current pricing you see on the screen, it's extremely affordable. I mean, you can get your entire family protected up to 5 handsets for $60 a year.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Small price to pay.
Yes, it is, for peace of mind. Right. Well, now we're also going to learn how to put it onto your phone.
Yeah.
Because sometimes things seem a little harder than they actually are.
Yes, we try to make it as easy as possible. Only really 3 steps in order to download, install, and activate our iZUP software.
Okay.
Okay, so we're available, as Darcy said, via our website, getizup.com, or the app stores. I'm going to walk you through how to purchase from our website for any type of device, any type of operating system on a GPS-enabled smartphone. So the first step is to go to our website, getizup.com, and here you will click on the top navigational bar, the Buy iZUP little icon right there where the red arrow is. The next step after you've clicked on this button is you will see a page for supported phones and networks. And here you'll select your network where the top red arrow is. This is AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, or Verizon. And once you click on one of these networks, a whole page of all the devices we support, which are currently BlackBerry, Android, and Windows devices, will appear. And then you will press on your particular device. If your device is not yet listed, we're constantly in development, and you can just email our support team at support@illumsoftware.com, listed on this slide, and in order to submit your request, and one of our team members will reach out to you once your device is available and supports iZUP. After clicking on your device, you will be sent to the Choose Your Plan page. Here you'll choose which billing preference is preferable to your needs, either the single user or family plan. The single user is for one user, either a parent purchasing for a child or a person purchasing it on their own device. The family plan is designed for 3 to 5 phones within a family, all on one account with one administrator who will receive all alerts about every device on the iZUP account. So you'll choose which one works best for you. Then below the billing preference box, you will see an area to add your mobile phone number without any dashes or periods, just the numbers. If you are on a family plan, you'll see many of these boxes appear, and you'll add each individual phone number in the boxes. And then you will just make sure that the correct carrier and handset are selected for each individual handset.
Now, will you need a coupon code for the 99-cent that you're doing?
For the Thanksgiving promotion, we actually aren't going to require a coupon code. That's just going to be available for a short time. Anybody can have this. You'll see the single user and family plan will turn to 99 cents during this period of time. So it'll be all across the board.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good to know.
Then you will have the ability to nickname the device. This is to make it a little bit simpler to recognize whose device it is on the account. So if you have a family plan with 5 accounts, or 5 people on your account, you'll be able to tell this is Jim's phone, this is Matt's phone, rather than having to recognize the number itself. So we usually suggest a person's name in this individual box. And then you'll click on the Next Step button, the bottom blue button.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, so this is the Create Account and Purchase page. Here you're going to enter the account administrator's email address and a unique password. These are only to be used by the account administrator, so this could be a parent or someone in charge that is going to handle the account. This is what will receive all the updates and notifications that relate that relate to iZUP. So this could be the tamper alert or the 911 alert, the person who will receive those notifications. Also on this page is the specific payment information, so your name, your address, credit card information. And once this is all filled out, all fields are required, you'll click Confirm Order.
And then you'll simply see it, won't you?
Yes, yes, you'll get a text message to your device. Within this text message will be a link. You'll click the link to open, and it will provide these instructions, and it will take you to your internet browser. You'll be brought to a page that looks like the first picture here where you can download iZUP, and you'll click Yes to download, and then it will install, and it will automatically activate. This process is a little bit different depending on each operating system. So BlackBerry is a little bit different from Android, is a little bit different from Windows Mobile. But our team's always here to help support if you have any unique questions about your operating system. So yeah, once this is installed, it will automatically activate.
Very nice. And I don't know if we went over the fact that actually once your car goes over 5 miles an hour, it turns on all by itself.
Exactly. So once you start moving, your phone will recognize this. You don't need to prompt it. You don't need to do anything. It's intelligent. And the iZUP screen will pop up and go right into block mode. And then once you stop driving, you don't need to turn it off. It will know to turn off. So it's pretty amazing. And yeah, you just brought up a slide for the authorized numbers. This is where you'll have the ability to add the feature that Darcy commented on earlier that allows you to have 3 numbers that you can always call and receive calls from, particularly in emergency situations. So it could be home or loved ones. And this is password protected, so the account administrator has full control over this from the device or from logging into their account online. The one thing that's very important that we remind all our users is that GPS must be enabled and on their particular device for the iZUP application to function properly. So we encourage everybody to just check this in their settings on their devices and make sure that that's enabled.
So if you're going to get a new phone, you want to make sure it's GPS enabled.
Yes, yes. And even if you buy a phone, sometimes phones come with the GPS off, so you just need to turn the setting onto on.
Okay.
And then again, this is these couple of slides now are just some of our features, how it works. Darcy explained earlier about the blocking and unblocking the numbers.
And you do the tamper alert.
Exactly, yeah. And so the account administrator will receive all this information about these alerts and have control over the passenger override.
So most of the time you find that mom's probably the administrator, right?
Exactly, moms and dads, yep.
Okay. And it's not just good for the kids, it's good for us moms who sometimes want to talk too much on the phone when they're in the car alone. And
must
think
practice
it's a good
what you
time
preach.
Exactly.
You have to model safe behavior when you have young teenagers coming up to approaching driving age. They need to not see you doing what you don't want them to do.
Right, and I used to do the thing where when I'm in the car with them, I don't talk on the phone. But when I'm in the car alone, I talk on the phone. So I figure it's okay then, but it really isn't. It's not. It's a good thing to go, hey, you know, a little extra nudge that the phone is off and can't be turned on while it's going is kind of a nice thing, you know. It's really a nice thing. So I really like this technology that really does, you know, it's so simple. It's just like, just turn your phone off, but you know, sometimes you just know you have so many things to do, you want to turn it on, and this just turns it off for you. It's so nice.
Well, thank you.
That's a good idea.
Our customer service support is always available, and this screen shows everything, our email address, our phone number. We're always here to help with any kind of question someone might have.
Great. Now, what is your next project? Anything coming up?
Well, we have a number of ideas in the hopper that are also based on, you know, location-based technology, which is a rapidly expanding field, and some of them are related to cell phone use, and some are related to other uses of the technology. But we actually right now have a very exciting enhancement to this product that we're getting ready to announce that really puts us head and shoulders above the fray.
Very nice.
So, yeah. So
when
nope,
it comes out, let us know.
We sure will, Laura.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your technology with us. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello?